Alright guys, this is what I call Apple CarPlay. It's obviously not an actual thing. I just call it Apple CarPlay because it's Apple and it replaces my CarPlay, and I use an iPad over my CarPlay, so I just call it Apple CarPlay. Alright, let's get right into it. How to install this. All it is these mounts right here. I have them on my affiliate links. Should be right under this video. It'll give you a section of so they sell them in 2-packs, and you want to buy these in. You should buy two 2-packs, especially if you have a 13-inch, 12.9-inch iPad like I do, just to really keep it stable. The main reason is if you get in a crash, you don't want this iPad to just go projectile. Like, you don't want it to hit the people in the back or hit you. You don't want it to come off. So that's why I have it, so I can easily put it on, take it off. I have plates back here. These come with it. But you can do whatever you want if you have your own little plates. I just kind of have it here, 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 and here. So if I want, I could have it like this, or if I want, I could have it like this. Obviously, on my car, it looks better like this, but there's some cars where it looks better like that. I have these, I don't know what to call it. It's like to make your furniture level, but I just have it as like a soft thing, so like this part doesn't hit this during bumps, and it just like makes a rattly noise. That's just my car because it has this annoying strip right here. But yeah, these I've had since my last video. It's probably been like a year or two now, and they're the exact same ones. They're not going anywhere. They've been in 110 degree heat and negative 40 degree cold in Minnesota. So I 1000% rely on those, and they've been very, very reliable. Yeah. And so pretty much, yeah, all you need is these mounts. I have them right in my affiliate link. It should be on my Amazon storefront. It should take you right there. The link I have will take you right to the iPad mount list that I made on Amazon. And it's incredibly cheap. Like, it doesn't cost that much to do this. Another thing, you want to make sure you get cellular for the iPad, because the most annoying thing ever is connecting to the most unreliable like hotspot on your phone, make your phone heat up, etc. That sucks. Don't do that. Just get service. Make sure your car can automatically connect to Bluetooth. Make your phone forget your car on Bluetooth, and only have your iPad as your Bluetooth connected device. That way, when you walk in, you could easily or when you turn on your car, it'll automatically connect to this. You don't have to do anything. Like, I listen to music all the time. It'll automatically connect. You can do, yeah, this is one of my favorite things, honestly, just looking at the lyrics. But yeah, you just want to auto connect Bluetooth on the iPad, and you want to make sure that you have cellular service on it. Main two things, because I don't want you guys to go buy an iPad and it sucks because you have to connect to hotspot all the time. That would suck. But setting up the iPad, or my iPad CarPlay, how I call it, here is Maps. I have that as a widget. So you want to make each widget as big as you can. An app that preferably like makes a square like this, so you can just put it in 6 quadrants, just so it looks clean, and everyone who walks into my car or comes into my car thinks it's actually part of my car. Oh, another important thing is I also have this cord on my affiliate links. I really hope you guys can see it, but it's like a flat cord. I put it behind the back, or not behind the back. It's flat, it's hidden. It just goes behind the iPad, and it connects to a cigarette lighter charger. So yeah, it's just hidden. It charges fast. This doesn't overheat. And backup camera, if I really need a backup camera, I just quickly take this off That's all you have to, like, it's so easy to put on and off. That's why I love it. You can watch YouTube, whatever. I have like Sirius XM. I have a flight tracker because I Uber and Lyft, and you can just track flights if you need to, if you have private clients. I have my music here. Hopefully it doesn't play. Okay. And calendar right here. Weather. Everything is just really clean. YouTube. I have a weather radar. I have YouTube TV if I want to watch sports. Here's my Uber and Lyft. I have Discord. Messages if you want. I have my iMessage disabled on this just because I don't need everyone looking at my stuff or any annoying anything going on with it. My music, my photos, flight radar, Google Chrome, just some more social media. There's like a bunch of apps. And also, if you want to split screen apps, you want to make sure you get this you hit this plus sign, and I'll show you guys. Hit this plus sign, add a control, and just look for, it probably won't show up since I already have it on there. Let's see, utilities. All right. So you just got to search it, but I already have it on here, but just look for this, and it's Stage Manager. And if you hit Stage Manager, then you can just split screen apps. Like I can do this, have this here, have music, have that right there. And you can just do whatever you want. You can split screen, do like that. Yeah, it's very fluid. I 100% recommend having this. I've had this in my car for about 3 years. I've wanted a new car, but I really don't need to get a new car anymore just because of how clean this is, how many compliments I get on it, and just how convenient it is. Like, my wife could easily watch a movie on Netflix if she wanted to. You can just type in Netflix right here, and it'll just work. I mean, and it's just through Verizon. It's unlimited data. Or if a family's in the car, you can road trip, watch a movie. It's auto connected to Bluetooth, so like it'll use the car sound. If you want to like karaoke with music, I'm not sure where. Well, it's somewhere over here, but if you guys have used Apple Music before you can karaoke on it. But yeah, that's about it. Any other questions, please let me know down in the comments. I try to get as much as I can while not making this video long and boring. But I 1000% recommend having an iPad in your car, especially if you have an older one and you're thinking about getting a newer car just because of all the new features. I don't want to get a new car anymore because this iPad can do more than what any newer car can do. So why would I even think, if this is still running, I don't need to get a new car. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, any questions. I periodically will go on YouTube and go look at all the comments and answer them. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.